recognized you. You're the unboxing kid on YouTube.
I guess. I do.
What you got?
Hello, YouTube.
Hello, Mr. Clarence.
Well, as y'all may know or may not know, which you probably don't by now, but we have a new project coming up.
Yes, we do.
And we figured we'd take y'all along for the whole journey from start to finish. At this point, we haven't started doing anything, but we're gathering supplies. So we have our first neat new play toy for the new build that's coming.
Is that mine or yours?
This is mine. This is the new Bluetti Elite 100 V2 portable power station. This is y'all's unboxing video that I have never done.
We have never done this.
So we are going to show y'all what this unit looks like.
The word unit always makes me laugh.
My wife can't keep her mind out the gutter.
That's not what I meant. I just think it's a funny word. That's definitely yours. Mine is pretty.
If you haven't figured it out yet, y'all, we have two of these coming. We keep speaking of yours and mine, but of course y'all know how Miss Clarence can be sometimes. She's a little bougie, so
I just like
she
girly
had to have
things.
a special pink one. So needless to say, she has a pink one on the way. So you'll get to see that as it arrives and unboxes. I'm sure she'll be excited.
It's not bougie. It's just girly.
It's pink.
What's this going to do, babe?
This is going to, hopefully, between the two of them, basically power our new project. Going to have a little bit of 12-volt inverter backup power, which will be backup, and also as a cheap way of charging these things, instead of buying the high-priced fancy battery packs, expandable packs, this, that, and the other, you can actually hook a 12-volt battery straight into the solar port of these things, which will give you extended battery life. It basically charges this unit from a separate battery. Gives you a lot longer run times. Charges it at slow watts or voltage. I'm not up on electricity, but
Is that what's in my dining room?
there's all kind of stuff in your dining room.
What are those batteries in my dining room?
Oh yes, those are the batteries.
Y'all look.
For the
So
batteries.
that's the solar panels.
This is the Zoop W 350 watt portable solar panel.
And we'll unbox that and show you guys in another video. And then over here, come through my home, in my dining room, ladies, this is what we have started right here. Isn't that great? So I guess these batteries go into the Bluetti. Is that right?
Well, no, they're going to go into the new project. They'll be hooked to a separate inverter, but they'll also be able to be used to charge the new Bluetti.
I'm excited.
Yay!
Yay. Oh, and his name? What's our project name?
CJ
That's right, for?
Clarence Jr.
And y'all look, he's in my driveway. Let me show you, taking you outside. And there he is. There's CJ. More to come. Thanks for watching. What'd you say, baby?
I said, I don't know that many people do this kind of shit sitting on their couch, on their recliner in their living room.
Where else are you supposed to open
do
it?
unboxings.
Where else are you supposed to
I don't know,
unbox it?
everybody else sets it up on these fancy tables and
That makes us relatable.
all kind of stuff. And here I just be sitting in my recliner opening stuff up. Y'all, as you know, we have a new project coming along.
We have ordered everything that Amazon has to offer.
I think the Amazon truck told me the other day that they will no longer deliver here. They are tired of coming to my house. They have been here every day, I think, for 2 weeks.
This is twice, actually. They came this morning at 6:30 for me.
Oh, my goodness. But anyway, so we're adding to our things. And Miss Clarence.
Yes.
Yeah, as y'all saw, we unboxed a Bluetti Elite 100, whatever it is.
You guys can see it. It's in the
other
camera
day.
right there.
It's over there on the table. But as we were talking about portable power stations and all, Miss Clarence absolutely fell in love with one that she saw.
It's so pretty.
So needless to say, we have a couple of Bluetti power stations now. And hers came in today.
It's going to power my laptop.
And it just so happens to be pink.
I love it. I love it. It's
This
so
is
cute.
Miss Clarence's own personal phone, Apple Watch, and laptop charger
Yay.
for our new project we have coming along.
Because
Look at it.
it's so cute. I love it.
She wouldn't get on camera, y'all, because she said she didn't look presentable today.
But he says I'm beautiful. But I'm so excited because when we go full time, then that'll charge everything I need to go virtual to teach my clients. I love it. It's so cute.
There you go.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
What's up, YouTube? We are at the, where are we?
Lowe. Yes, trying to blow off, just sitting here, just like that. Hold that down.
We're at Lowe's and we are getting the insulation for CJ, Clarence Jr. And I'm hoping my husband was smart enough to bring straps because it's probably the coldest and windiest day that we've had in South Georgia. And of course, that's when we decide to do things. Woo! What you think, Mr. Clarence?
Oh, just cold and windy. This little cheesy foam board insulation doesn't do very well in the wind, but my wife's not concerned about it.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to make a video. Well, you two let me go so I can help him. Bless his heart.